Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the new Siser Sublimation Markers with your cutting machine. I am using a silhouette cameo and I'm just plugging my marker into one of the pen holders. I let the machine draw out my image onto inkjet heat transfer paper. I also wanted to add a sparkly background, so I used the Siser white glitter vinyl and cut a background out. Using the markers from the primary pack, I colored in my image. Do you see how bright these colors are? After coloring and cutting out my image using a scissors, I then pressed it onto my glitter background using an iron on the cotton setting. Don't forget to protect your image before heating. These Siser Sublimation Markers are now available in our store, in Toms River, and on our website at extremeimprint.com.